Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, just a short little video. I have one of the mini brands Fill the Fridge. It's the only one I could find. And two of the Cafe 4, I'm sorry. I'm looking for some extras of certain things, so let's open. Let's see what we get. I already got the elusive eggs. I got 4 of them. They're not very elusive around here, I don't think. But I want the creates. I don't care about anything else. And the cake, which I didn't get, of course. But there is my, oops, sorry. Can't even think magnet. Alright, let's see what we get. A Panda Express. Cute. Alright. There we go. Have my light off. And the fruit tray, which is cute because you can take it out. And, oh, got crispy tater tots. And oh, more lamb chops. Have plenty of those. A bottle of water. A Baskin Robbins. This is a new one for me. I didn't have that one before. And a little bitty one, which is one of the mini minis of the Ollipops. Super cute, strawberry vanilla. Alright, good deal. I was there the other day and they had all kinds, and I guess somebody came in and bought them all. That was the only ball they had. Alright, and this one. These toe strips just never work. No, don't get up here. Somebody fixing to pop her head up in front of my camera. Thinking real hard. Oh, the Rice Krispies. That's okay. I do like this one, but I have plenty of them. Alright, for those that may not have seen it, and here she comes. Angel, get down. You have no manners. Alright, so we have the croissants, the Tangulu, the marshmallow Rice Krispie treats, the chili mango fruit cup, berry Danish, butterfly pea flower tea, don't knock stuff down, bacon wrapped hot dog, the Thai tea boba, the falafel, the watermelon sorbet, shrimp cocktail, and the holo holo. I want another one of those. Can I help you, ma'am? And this comes with the puff cereal, the mold, which is always nice to have, a pink plate, keep it down there, huge knife, the tweezers, and the ball topper. Oh yes, the spatula. I love these spatulas, the silicone ones. And I really love these big mixing bowls. And the red one, which is marshmallow fluff. Alright. Let me just pop that for now. And one more. I wish we would get the Cafe 5 and the Diner 4. It's so frustrating. I do have a bunch coming, though, of those that I've ordered, so I keep debating on the babies. I only want the actual ingredients, the stuff. I don't care about the babies. That's mean, but I don't know. It's another boba. I have like 500 of these. Alright. I didn't check pinholes. I just grabbed them in it today. The straw. The resin is in here, which is the tea. The adorable bear cup. So it's okay to have a duplicate of that. The boba and the ice. And right here. Alright guys, well that's it for today. Just a quick little opening there. Nothing exciting. But I appreciate you all, and I hope you all have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.